Alright, here we go again. This time around we've got triangles. And when we look at the triangles, again we look for this box that shows us the two sides, because we're going to do base times height divided by 2. And so that's 6 times 8 divided by 2. And 6 times 8 is 48 divided by 2 is 24. So we know we're going to have two 24s. One for the front triangle, one for the back triangle. Now we need our lateral surface area. And so this value right here is this 18 is how far away the front triangle is from the back triangle. And then we go 6, 8, and 10. 6 times 18 is 108. 18 times 8 is 144. And 18 times 10 is 180. So to the two 24s, we're going to add. So 24 plus 24 plus 108 plus 144 plus 180 gives us 480 feet squared. So the next one, look for the little box, the right angle. So we go triangle, base times height divided by 2. That's 5 times 12 divided by 2. 5 times 12 is 60 divided by 2 is 30. So we have two 30s, one for the front triangle, one for the back triangle. Then we have our rectangle. This is 2 inches from the front triangle to the back triangle. So 2 inches there. And then the three sides of the triangle are 5, 12, and 13. Remember, 13 goes the same direction as this line out in front, and so that makes it a side of the triangle. So 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 12 is 24, 2 times 13 is 26. So we're going to add a 10, a 24, and a 26. So 30 plus 30 plus 10 plus 24 plus 26 gives us 120. And that's inches squared. Find the box on the triangle, that's up here, and it's also down here. Up here I can't see the numbers quite clearly, they're not attached, but down here I can see that we've got 7 and 24. So our triangle is base times height divided by 2, and that's 7 times 24 divided by 2. And so 7 times 24 divided by 2 is 84. So we have two 84s. Now we need a lateral surface area. The triangles are 3 units apart. So with that being said, we go like this, boom, boom, boom. And we go, the sides of the triangle are 7, 24, and 25. 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 24 is 72, and 3 times 25 is 75. So we're going to add 21, 72, 75 with the 84s. So here we go. 84 plus 84 plus 21 plus 72 plus 75 gives us 336. And that's inches squared. All right, over here we need the triangle. This time around our height's inside the triangle. So we got base times height times, divided by 2. So that's base is 8, height is 3, divided by 2. That's going to be 12. And then we'll add on a 12. So here we go. The distance from the front triangle to the back triangle is 10 meters. And then the three sides of the triangle are 5, 5, and 8. 5 times 10 is 50, 5 times 10 is still 50, and 8 times 10 is 80. One of the things I like about math is its consistency. 5 times 10, yeah. Being 80, or being 50, wow, I wrote down 80, and it's 5:42 in the morning, so I can math. The beautiful thing about math is that you can tell when you're wrong. There's a lot of things in this world that you can't tell when you're wrong anymore. 204 meters squared. All right. We have a triangle, which is base times height divided by 2. In this case, we look at this right there. It's going to be made up of 6 and 8 divided by 2. 6 times 8 is 48, divided by 2 is 24. So we have two 24s. Here's my lateral surface area. It's 18 units away. So we've got 18 times 6 times 8 times 10. 18 times 6 is 108. 18 times 8 is 144. 18 times 10 is 180. So we go 108, 144, 180. So then we have 24 plus 108 plus 144 plus 180. That gives us 480 feet squared. And yeah, I think, yeah, that's the same. Well, the book I took this from used the same figure twice. Great. All right, anyway, moving on. Not a big deal. So here we go. We've got these two sides of the triangle make up the right angle. So that's triangle is base times height divided by 2. The base and the height are both 2. So 2 times 2 over 2, which is 2. And we have two 2's because we have a front triangle and a back triangle. The true triangles are separated by 12 inches. So 2, 2, and 2.8. 2 times 12 is 24. 2 times 12 is 24. And 12 times 2.8 is 33.6. So we have the two 24s and a 33.6. So 2 plus 2 plus 24 plus 24 plus 33.6 gives us 85.6 inches square. Last couple here. In this picture, here's my right angle. So we've got triangles, base times height. So we have 10 times 20 divided by 2, which is going to be 100. So we have two 100s. And then the triangle, this front triangle is 28 meters away from the back triangle. And so the sides of the triangle are 14, 14, and 20. So 28 times 14 gives us 392. That's 392 as well. And then 28 times 20 gives us 560. So we go 100 plus 100 plus 392 plus 392 plus 560. And I get 1,544 meters squared. Here we go with a triangle. Base times height divided by 2. Look up here. Base and height are 9 and 12. 9 times 12 divided by 2 9 times 12 divided by 2 is 54. We have two 54s, one for the front triangle, one for the back triangle. And then the two triangles are 3 units apart, or 3 yards apart, sorry. And so the sides of the triangle are 9, 12, and 15. 9 times 3 is 27. 3 times 12 is 72. 3 times 15, no, not 72. Silly Mr. Manchester. It's 36. What you thinking? And then 3 times 15 is 45. Phew, my brain went kaput there for a moment. So now we do 54 plus 54 plus 27 plus 36 plus 45. That's 216. And that's yards squared. And this one, up here is my right angle, so triangle is base times height divided by 2. And so that's 12 times 16 divided by 2. I think that's 96, but I'm going to double check in my calculator here. Yes, it is. So two 96s, one for the front, one for the back. Lateral surface area. These triangles are 4 units apart, 4 centimeters apart, sorry. 12, 16, 20. 4 times 12 is 48, 4 times 16 is 64, and 4 times 20 is 80. So then we go 96 plus 96 plus 48 plus 64 plus 80. And that's 384 centimeters squared. And last but not least, triangle is base times height divided by 2. Right here we've got a base of 8 and a height of 3 over 2. 8 times 3 is 24, divided by 2 is 12. We have two 12s, one for the front, one for the back. We have a height of 10 for each of these. Oh, the book gave me never mind. 5 times 10 is 50, 5 times 10 is 50, 8 times 10 is 80. So 50, 50, and 80. Adding these together, 12 plus 12 plus 50 plus 50 plus 80 is 204. And that's meters squared. All right, so there's your good practice for your test, which is on Monday. Again, email me if you have questions. Turn in work to your sub. Be kind, be polite. If you're done before the end of the hour, then find something constructive to do. Find something quiet to do. All right. Well, I will see you on Monday.